Here comes Vix of Estonia. He started 86 out of 88, a man who is funded by the army. 16 years he's been on the World Cup tour, mostly dressed in blue and white, not in green for the forces. 3:15 behind with only one penalty, so 2:15 slower than Svensson on the day for a ski time. Not bad at all.
Ja 5 märki tulid alla. Eveli Sau alustas esimest tiiru väga hästi.